Hey everybody, it's Neil. I'm gonna show you guys these kitchen clog shoes. We're gonna give these things a try. It is packed extremely well here. Let's see if I can open this shrink. It's like shrink wrapped on top of the bag. But okay. So inside of it, we have a little string bag. Inside the string bag, we have some more bags. There we go. Okay, enough with the crunchy little bag stuff. Ooh, got these in here too. Okay, so here we go. So these are what they look like. These are like food service ones. They're super, they got some good grip and stuff on here. If you look at that, it's got a nice texture and stuff. So if they're slippery in the kitchen or whatever, you won't have to worry about that. And inside, it feels nice and soft. So it's kind of like a little clog one. This little back here can flip up so you can keep it in the back or flip it up. Let's try it on and see how comfortable it is. I'm gonna beam you guys down at my feet. There we go. So here's my feet. Let's see if they fit. I'll just try it without it first. So that's one without the little back, and then here's one with the back. Slightly hard to put on, but this is definitely my size. Oh wow, this has got so much cushy. Way more cushy than those name brand ones. Let's put this one around here. I would probably like it like this. But yeah, this has so much cushioning in it, and like you can kind of hear the squeakiness of it. Like it sticks to the floor. It's not gonna slide because it's like really grippy on the bottom. These are kind of nice. I'm not gonna say they're the prettiest things in the world, but if I'm working in a kitchen or something and I want the most comfortable shoes ever, this would probably be them. Man, these are ridiculously comfortable. So I guess if you need some super comfortable, I'll come down here. If you need some super ridiculously comfortable shoes for the kitchen, if you're working at a restaurant or something like that, this would be the way to go. I guess I wear a size 41. Can't remember. I think that's like 8.5. So I like it. These are awesome. Thumbs up for me.